In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quit Wix in just a few simple steps. Now, whether you're switching to a different website builder or you simply don't need the service anymore, it's important to know how to properly cancel your Wix account to ensure that you're not being charged for services you no longer use. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're on the site, go to the Sign In page and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details handy, as this will be crucial for accessing the areas of your account that we're going to talk about today. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by looking for your profile icon, often located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile, and from the drop-down menu, you should see the Account Settings option. Click on it, and this will take you to the page where you can manage all the details related to your Wix account. Now, let's move on to the subscriptions. Once you're in the account settings, look for the section labeled Premium Subscriptions. This is where Wix lists all the services you're being billed for. It's crucial to check this section because simply deleting your account won't automatically stop your subscription payments. Once you open the Premium Subscriptions page, you'll see all the plans you're currently signed up for with Wix. Next, you'll want to locate the particular plan you want to cancel. When you find it, there should be an option to Cancel Plan. Click on that, and Wix will guide you through the cancellation process. Follow the prompts carefully. They might ask for feedback or confirm your decision, so just keep clicking through until you've completed the process. Once you've successfully canceled your premium plans, head back to your account settings. We're almost there, but one crucial step remains to ensure your account is fully closed. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the account settings page. Here you'll find an option labeled Close Your Account. Click this option if you wish to completely terminate your Wix account. Wix will probably issue a few warnings, asking if you're sure about closing your account, since this action is permanent. If you're sure that you want to proceed and don't need any data saved, confirm the closure. And that's it. Your account will be closed, and you won't be billed any further. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide made the process of quitting Wix more manageable. Remember, ensuring proper cancellation and deletion is key in preventing any unwanted charges. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our videos for additional helpful tech tips.